Hello guys, I hope you're feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. Let's get started. We are going through the French pronunciation. We finished with the pronunciation of the French alphabet one by one and I told you all the rules, and now we are here continuing with some rules about combination of the letters or some specific letters in French pronunciation. H. This is the other letter that we have in French alphabet. H. We have two H. One of them is called H aspiré, H aspiré, and the other is called H muet. What does it mean? At first, before going through this rule about H, I must tell you something related to liaison. La lie La liaison. What is liaison? At first, I must tell you what is liaison. Think about this word, these two words. The Here, we have de, and after that we have hotel. Okay, if you see these two words when they get together, the first one ends in a consonant and the second one starts with a vowel. So whenever you have whenever the first word you have a first word and the first word ends in a consonant and the second word after that starts with a vowel, at that time you can put the pronunciation of both words into one. What does it mean? Mix them. How? Instead of telling de hotel, the pronunciation of this word is de, and the pronunciation of this word is hotel. So, because ash is not pronounced in French language, that's why instead of telling de hotel, we can mix the pronunciation of both words into one and say that des hôtels. Instead of telling de hotel, we can say des hôtels. The sound of this letter S will be changed into Z, and after that it mixes with hotel and it makes you this pronunciation des hôtels. And this rule is called la liaison. I will give you another example. What is the example? For example, do. Do means tu. And appartement. Appartement means apartment. Now I want to pronounce these two words together. I can say do appartement. Do, this is the pronunciation of this word, and appartement is the pronunciation of this one. So generally I can say do appartement. I can say de hôtel. But French native speakers prefer to mix the pronunciation of these words together and tell des hôtels, deux appartements. Why? Because the first word ends in a consonant and the second word starts with a vowel. This is a consonant or consonne in French. This is a vowel or voyelle in French. So we have at the end of the first word, you have a consonant, and at the beginning of the second word after it, you have a vowel. In this case, you must. It's not a must. You you can, for instance, native speakers prefer to mix the pronunciation of both of them into one, and they say that des hôtels, deux appartements instead of des hôtels, deux appartements. It is said des hôtels, deux appartements, and this rule is generally called la liaison, that you will see in French language all the time. For example, another example, you know this. Sorry, Vous êtes, you are. Vous means you, et means are. Vous êtes, you are. So why we say vous êtes? I'm doing the liaison. Why? Because at the end of the first word I have a consonant. At the second word it starts with a vowel. That's why I can do the liaison and I say vous êtes. Vous êtes instead of vous êtes. I can say vous êtes. But guys, liaison in these two examples are not obligatory. It is not obligatory to do liaison in these, to do the rule in these two examples. You can say de hôtel, deux appartements, and both of them are correct. But it is mostly heard des hôtels, deux appartements, because I mentioned that French native speakers prefer to do the liaison. But liaison here, vous êtes, it is necessary here. It is obligatory, compulsory completely. Why? Because whenever this rule exists between a subject pronoun and the conjugation of a verb, now it is obligatory. So whenever you have the liaison between two things that is not a subject pronoun and a conjugation of the verb, so it's not necessary to do the liaison. It is your choice. But whenever this rule exists between a subject pronoun like vous and a conjugation of a verb like être, at that time it is completely necessary, obligatory. Like vous avez, you cannot say vous avez, you must say, it is a must, you must tell vous avez, because this rule of liaison exists here between a subject pronoun and the conjugation of a verb. So this is all about liaison, when it is obligatory and when it is not obligatory, and you can do it. So now why I told you the rule of liaison, because prefer going through H aspiré and muet, I had to explain the rule of liaison for you to have more understanding about this matter. H aspiré. So whenever you have H, guys, H can be aspiré or muet. Whenever it is aspiré, liaison, it is not allowed. It means that you don't have any right to do the liaison when your H is aspiré. For example, haricot means bean. Haricot means beanie. And héros means hero. So suppose that I put de and I want to pronounce this. Okay, according to the rule of liaison that I explained to you, here we have at the end of this word we have a consonant. It ends in a consonant and it starts with H is not pronounced, it starts with a vowel. So we can say des haricots, but no, we cannot pronounce this des haricots. Why? Because the H is aspiré. H aspiré doesn't allow us to do the liaison, but H muet allows us to do the liaison. So hôpital in H in hôpital, H in homme, H in or, H in hotel. These H, they are all muet, so we can say des hôpitaux, for example. We can say by hôpital des hommes, we can say des hommes, des hommes. This is completely right that you can pronounce this des hommes, but you can't say des haricots because, or des zéro, because H in these two words are H aspiré. Perhaps now you are wondering about this question, that how we can understand this H is muet or this H is aspiré. Guys, it's not a very important thing. Just right now I told you the rule, but just know these two words, just héros, so, and haricot, they have H aspiré, and we cannot liaison before them. We cannot say des haricots, we cannot say des zéro. Just know these two words, haricot and héros, they have H aspiré, and it is not allowed to do the liaison before them. But hôpital, homme, or, hotel, and other words with H that starts with H, they have H muet, and you can do the liaison. Des hommes, des heures, des hôtels, as I told you. So haricot means bean, héros, hero, hôpital, hospital, homme. Homme means man. Man, I say like that, man. And or, hour. Or means hour. Hotel, you know, hotel. About G, about the letter G. Whenever you have G and after that you have E, E, Y, you must pronounce it G. So whenever you have the letter G and after that you have E, you must say G, the pronunciation, like giraffe, giraffe, gilet, vest, fragile, fragile, gelé, gelé means frozen, gym, gym, or, so you must pronounce this G because you have E after that, or O after that, or Y. Here again, geography, you don't say geographe. G, no, G, because after that you have E. G, because after that you have E. Geography, geography. Géant, giant. Géologie, geology. Géométrie, geometry. Gymnastic, the same. Gymnastic is a kind of sport. But now after G, whenever after G you have other words, other letters, not E, E, Y. When you have E, O, Y after G, you must pronounce it G. But when you have other letters like A, O, O, L, at that time they are not E, O, Y. You must pronounce it G, like guarantee, guarantee. Gorge, gorge means throat. Garage, garage. Gallery, gallery. Golf, golf. Global, global, global. So you don't pronounce them G and you don't pronounce them G. When you have G and after that you have E, E, Y, you must pronounce this G. But when you have other letters, you must pronounce them G. When you have G and U, you can remember you had Q and U. When you had Q and U, this is pronounced K. So when you have G and U, this is pronounced G, like guitar, guitar. Long, long, long or long. This is not pronounced, guys, so you say long and this one long, and both of them means long. It's an adjective. This is for masculine, this is for feminine. Long. But this one is pronounced long, long. J is not pronounced at the end. And at the end of this word is an exception. Long, language. Guirlande. Guirlande is the decoration of the Christmas tree. Guirlande. You know, there are some bowls that we hang on the Christmas tree as decoration. This is called guirlande. And bilang. Bilang. O is not pronounced at the end. You know why? This J and U is pronounced G. I will tell about E and N in future videos. Bilang, bilingual. Bilang means bilingual. Se and ash, this combination gives you the pronunciation of sh. Se and ash, sh. Like chocolat. T is not pronounced at the end. You know, I told you. Chocolat, chocolate. Chic, chic. Chic means luxury, chic. Or for example, whenever something is really pretty. Chemise. Chemise means this is chemise means the shirt. This is for men. Chemise. Chance, chance. Chimie, chemistry. Changer, it's a verb. Changer, change. Chaise, it is a chair. Chérie means dear. Cher and chérie. Chérie, dear, darling. Chat. T is not pronounced at the end of the words. Chat means cat. Chien means dog. Charité, charity. Chimiste, chemists, chemist, chemist, person who has studied chemistry and now she is chemists. Now it is said chimiste. And choqué. Choqué, whenever a person is choqué, for example, il est choqué. Il est choqué, je suis choqué. Choqué means surprised. P and ash. Guys, I will continue in another video because I don't want to make the video so long to be boring for you. So if you like my videos, please put the thumb under it and comment in the comment section. Tell your opinion in the comment section. I will provide so many videos for you in future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.